Have you ever thought about how to solve the problem of tracking large quantities of products in the warehouse and logistics? Or how to efficiently and correctly do inventory during field service and in retail stores? Now, utilizing Unitech RFID solutions, it is possible to greatly improve inventory efficiency. The Unitech RS804 RFID fixed reader supports 4 antenna ports and is designed for easy integration. It optimizes warehouse management and the scanning of all the cargo on an entire pallet to be completed efficiently without the need to scan individual boxes. The RM300 RFID module has a highly efficient UHF chip module design, which supports USB and UART interfaces. It has a complete hardware development kit and an SDK that can be integrated with various RFID systems. The HT510 UHF is a long-range rugged RFID handheld terminal. It can assist users in reading RFID tags from as far away as 5 meters, which helps with taking inventory when a large number of products are in trucks. Featuring a large keypad for easy operation, it also has an ergonomically designed gun-type handle. The RG760 features a sled design, which turns a PA760 touch computer into a handheld RFID reader. Armed with only the RFID gun grip, the solution for reading both barcodes and UHF RFID chips is well in hand. The RP901 is one of the few pocket-sized RFID readers in the industry. It provides Bluetooth wireless connection to various platforms for reading RFID data. Up to 6,000 scans can be completed with a single charge. Utilizing these products, industry applications can be divided into these 4 major categories. Smart warehousing and logistics, including an automated shipment tracking system, production line conveyor, and warehouse inventory. Intelligent transportation, including fixed portal and roadside parking management. Smart retail and field service, including smart shelf, storage check, counter checkout, and smart tracking system. And intelligent cold chain. After cargo is loaded, an RFID temperature tag can be added to the boxes. This allows for temperature recording and monitoring during goods transportation. Fluent and effective management helps customers to receive the freshest goods. Utilizing RFID makes managing inventory accurate, large-scale, and fast. Unitech goes beyond the expectations of users, allowing them to better manage big data in ever more innovative ways. RFID integration, we are ready.